and welcome to the Vortex Healing Centre meditation. What a few weeks it's been, huh? We're just going through radical stuff here, and I'm not sure that it's finished either. So I think everybody's going through very similar, these huge big onrush of energies have been really, really big. Yeah, so we take everything in our stride and try not to get too upset by it all, but there really is a lot of upheaval and a lot of changes happening in many, many people, and um, the things that have gone wrong here and the radical last few weeks I've had have just been knocking me for a six. It affects absolutely everybody. But I also know that the energies were actually attacking me through the solar plexus. Now, recently, you may have noticed we have been changing our three breath system in the beginning and doing our fourth breath and creating our own solar sun or central sun. And this is a necessary part of our evolvement because we've got to create our own central sun. It's where we start to become a true individual, and we have to really work from ourself, using our own energies and our own guidance and all that kind of stuff. But of course, as we're getting closer and closer to the outcome of the shift, there's still a lot of negative energies fighting the process, and it's quite strange. I've never been attacked through my solar plexus before, and that's what has been happening. But however, we're doing all we can to help this system. Barbara did a wonderful psychic self-defense workshop yesterday with a lot of our regulars here and a lot of other ones, and works very well. And I've also been, as I've changed the three breath thing, that's also helping us defend our newly born central sun. We don't know how to protect our newly emerging self yet because we've always done it one way, and like everything else, it's changed. So we'll go through that today and see how we go. Want to make yourself comfortable. And we start, as we always do, with our three breaths, drawing deeply from the center of the earth and up into our higher heart, fully expanding the top of our chest. Making more room for our higher self. We do three breaths from the center of the universe, drawing down from the great central sun, and again into our higher heart. When we've done that, we do a combined breath, drawing it into our solar plexus, breathing out front and back, cleansing and clearing our chakra here. The pranic we created with our three breaths from the center of the earth, the center of the universe, into our higher heart, has given us the protection of our pranic tube. And this includes our solar plexus now. And the reason that the solar plexus is so important at the moment is because we're changing the way we do everything. And mainly, we're changing from the head to the solar plexus, which is the self. This is very strange, where when we do the three breathing today, we have connected the solar plexus and the higher self. Now we stop in these later days and early days of the shift and 5-dimension stuff. We are not thinking, but we are feeling, and we feel from our solar plexus. So whatever we want, whatever we need, we're drawing to us by breathing out of our solar plexus. That's the energy we're putting out to the universe and drawing back to us. It's a simple manifestation. Turn off the brain, work through the solar plexus. Our own central sun is our creator. And as I do this, I am breathing deeply through my solar plexus. And as we go into our deeper state and our quiet time of meditation, I want you to breathe through your solar plexus, in and out. Breathe in through the front and out through the back and the front. Knowing you're going to draw to you whatever you need. If we keep our solar plexus active, we will see opportunities when they come. We will feel the change that we need to do our own changes. So just sit back, relax, and work with your solar plexus or yourself. I'll call for you shortly. I want you all to take a nice deep breath as we start to bring ourselves back. Remember, the solar plexus will help you manifest whatever you need and what you want if you work with it. You just have to turn your mind off and listen. Whatever your feeling is that comes back to you, your brain will interpret and enable you to put things into action. We are becoming truly one. We're learning how to work our physical body. Isn't that awesome? And for now, I'd like to thank you all for being with us again and wish you a slightly less chaotic week. Bye for now.
Thanks, everyone, for joining in on our monthly global healing meditation. We do this the first Sunday of every month. We're live on Facebook and live with a conference call. If you'd like to sign in on the live versions, check out our website at vortexhealingcenter.com and click the links and we can get you signed up. Have a great day.